How to recharge Prime Video in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recharge Prime Video in iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to recharge your Prime Video in iPhone, I'd recommend you to not use the Prime Video or the Amazon app, because thing is that they might not work properly or it might not show the details properly. So to view your Prime subscription details, I would recommend you open up your browser instead. Go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I will make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Amazon.com/Amazon Prime, and log into the Prime or the Amazon account of which you want to view the subscription details. Now if your subscription has ended, it will prompt you to renew it over here, so you can tap the renew option and you'll find all the details regarding your subscription. In my case, I do not have a subscription, so it is showing the option to subscribe to the premium version. But if you have and it ended for some reason, you'll find the option to change your card details and everything else right from amazon.com/Amazon Prime. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.